Ordering food at a restaurant.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
2 people, please.
Great. Please follow me to your table.
Thank you. It is a nice place.
Thank you. Here is your table.
Can we have the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. What food is popular here?
The chicken burger and pasta are very popular.
I think I will have pasta. I am not sure. I need a minute.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay. We will take a chicken burger with fries and pasta with tomato sauce.
Would you like any drinks?
Yes, we want a lemon juice and a cola, please.
Do you want dessert later?
Maybe later. Thank you.
Perfect. I will bring your order soon.
Excuse me, how long will the food take?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
That is fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time.
The food looks very good.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Immigration at airport. Good morning. Passport, please.
Good morning. Here is my passport.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for tourism.
How long will you stay in the country?
I will stay for 2 weeks.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here is my return ticket.
Can you show me your hotel booking?
Yes, here it is on my phone.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't have anything to declare.
What is your job?
I work as a teacher.
All right. Everything looks fine.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Visiting a doctor. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. I have pain in my stomach.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did the pain start?
It started 2 days ago.
Is the pain constant, or does it come and go?
It comes and goes, but sometimes it is strong.
Do you feel any nausea or vomiting?
Yes, I feel a little nausea.
Have you eaten anything unusual recently?
Yes, I ate fast food yesterday.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
No, I don't have a fever.
It may be a stomach infection or food-related problem.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, it doesn't seem serious. I will give you some medicine.
Okay, thank you.
Take this medicine after meals and drink a lot of water.
All right.
Avoid spicy and oily food for a few days.
I will do that.
If the pain continues, come back again.
Okay, I understand. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you, doctor.
Bus stop. Conversation.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop to the city center?
Yes, it is. You are in the right place.
Great. Do you know what time the next bus comes?
I think the next bus comes in 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Is it usually on time?
Yes, usually it is on time, but sometimes it is a little late.
I am new here. I don't know the city very well.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the shopping mall.
Oh, that's easy. The bus number 15 goes there.
Perfect. Do I pay on the bus?
Yes, you can pay with cash or card when you get on.
How much is the ticket?
It is about $2.
That is cheap. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is this bus crowded? Sometimes in the morning it is crowded, but now it is okay.
Good. I don't like very crowded buses.
Me too. Oh, I think the bus is coming now.
Yes, that's the bus 15.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a nice trip.
First day at work.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to your first day.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. Don't worry. We will help you.
My name is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. My name is Jack.
What should I do first?
First, I will show you around the office.
Okay, that sounds good.
This is your desk. You will work here.
Nice. Who will I work with?
You will work with Sarah and Mike. They are very friendly.
That's great. What time is lunch break?
Lunch break is from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. What is my first task?
Today, you will learn the system and read some documents.
All right, I will try my best.
Good attitude.
If I need help, can I ask someone?
Of course, you can always ask me or your coworkers.
Thank you. I feel better now.
You're welcome. You would do great here.
I hope so.
Let's start your training. Welcome again. Airplane seat mix-up.
Excuse me, I think there is a problem with my seat.
Hello, what seems to be the problem?
My ticket says seat 12A, but someone is already sitting there.
I'm sorry about that. Let me check your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Yes, you are right. Your seat is 12A.
Maybe there is a mistake.
Yes, it looks like a seat mix-up. I will fix it now. I understand. Please don't worry. I will solve this.
I just want my correct seat.
Of course. Let me check the available seats. Okay, I have another seat for you. You can sit in 14C. It is a window seat.
That is fine. Thank you.
I'm sorry for the confusion. Please go to your new seat. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Meeting someone new. Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here? I haven't seen you before.
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Oh, welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Chicago. I live here in Chicago.
That's great. Do you like living in Chicago?
Yes, I do. It is a big and busy city, but I like it.
I agree. I am still learning the city.
Do you work or study here?
I work in a small company. How about you?
I study English at a language school.
That's good. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I am still learning.
Me too. I'm learning Arabic as well.
That's interesting. Maybe we can help each other.
Yes, that would be nice.
Do you want to get coffee sometime?
Sure, that sounds great.
Great. Let's exchange numbers.
Okay, here is my number.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. See you.
At the pharmacy.
Hello. Excuse me.
Hello. How can I help you?
I am not feeling well. I have a headache and a cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday. I also have a sore throat.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
All right. I can recommend some medicine for you.
What do you suggest?
You can take these tablets for headache and cold symptoms.
Are they strong?
No, they are safe and commonly used. Take one tablet every 8 hours.
Okay. Do I need a prescription?
No, you don't need a prescription for this medicine.
Great. Do you have something for sore throat?
Yes, these throat lozenges will help.
Thank you. How much is everything?
It is $10 in total.
Here you are.
Thank you. Take care and get well soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Check in early at hotel.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the hotel. How can I help you?
I have a reservation, but I arrived early. Can I check in now?
Let me check your booking. What is your name, please?
My name is John Smith.
Yes, I found your reservation. Your check-in time is 3 p.m.
I understand. Is it possible to check in early?
Yes, your room is ready now. You can check in early.
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Please fill in this form.
Okay. How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Do I need to pay extra for early check-in?
No, it is free today.
That's very nice.
Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
One more question. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice stay.
Asking for cheese at the supermarket.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I am looking for cheese. What types do you have?
We have cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Swiss cheese.
What is the difference between them?
Cheddar is strong and salty. Mozzarella is soft and mild. Swiss cheese has a light, nutty taste.
I want cheese for pizza. Which one is better?
Mozzarella is the best for pizza.
Okay, I will take mozzarella cheese.
Do you want a small or large pack?
A medium pack, please.
Sure. It is over there in the fridge section.
Thank you. Can I also get cheddar cheese?
Yes, it is next to the mozzarella.
Great. I will take both.
Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It is $8 in total.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Wrong change at cashier.
Hello, I think there is a mistake with my change.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is the problem?
I gave you $20, but I think you gave me the wrong change.
Okay, let me check, please. What did you buy?
I bought a sandwich and a drink. It was $12.
Yes, that is correct. You should get $8 change.
But I only received $5.
Oh, I see. Sorry about that. Let me check the cash register.
No problem. I just want the correct change.
You are right. There was a mistake. Here are your $3.
Thank you.
I'm really sorry for the confusion.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Thank you for understanding.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Lost luggage at the airport.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What is the problem?
My luggage is lost. I cannot find my suitcase.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you arrive?
I arrived about 1 hour ago from New York.
Okay. Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Can you describe your suitcase?
Yes, it is black and medium size. It has a red tag.
I will check the system now. Please wait a moment.
Okay, thank you. I am a little worried.
Don't worry. We will try to find it.
Is this a common problem?
Sometimes bags arrive later on the next flight.
I need my luggage today. I have important things inside.
I understand. I will contact the baggage team.
Can you call me if you find it?
Yes. Please write your phone number here.
Here you are.
Thank you. If we find it, we will deliver it to your hotel.
That is great. How long will it take?
Usually a few hours, sometimes one day.
Okay, I will wait for your call.
We will do our best. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Taxi to the train station.
Hello? Excuse me.
Hello? Yes, how can I help you?
Are you free? I need a taxi, please.
Yes, I'm free. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station, please.
Okay, Which train station in the city?
The main train station, please.
No problem. Please get in.
Thank you. How long will it take?
Around 25 minutes, maybe a little more.
I have a train to New York. I hope we are not late.
Don't worry, I would take the fastest route.
Great. How much will it cost?
It will be about $30.
Okay, that is fine. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase and a backpack.
I will help you with that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is traffic bad today?
A little, but not too bad.
Can we arrive before 3 p.m.?
Yes, we should arrive by 2:30 p.m.
Perfect. I need to buy a ticket too.
The station has a ticket office inside.
Okay, that's good. We are almost there now. Please stop here at the entrance.
Sure, here we are.
How do I pay you?
You can pay cash or card.
I will pay in cash. Here is $30.
Thank you. Have a nice trip.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care. At the gym. Hi. Is this your first time at the gym?
Yes, it is. I am new here.
Welcome. Do you need any help?
Yes, please. I don't know how to use the machines.
No problem. I can show you. What is your goal?
I want to lose weight and get fit.
Great. Let's start with the treadmill.
Okay, how do I use it?
First, press this button to start. Then choose your speed.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Start slowly for 10 minutes.
All right. It feels a little fast.
You can reduce the speed if it is too much.
Okay, that is better now.
Good. After that, we can try the weights.
I'm a little nervous about weights.
Don't worry. Start with light weights.
How many times should I lift them?
About 10 to 12 times for each set.
Okay, I will try.
Remember to breathe slowly while exercising.
Got it.
Do you have any pain or discomfort?
No, I feel okay, just tired.
That's normal for beginners.
How often should I come to the gym?
3 to 4 times a week is good.
Okay, I will try to follow that.
Don't forget to drink water.
Yes, I have my water bottle here.
Great. You are doing very well.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and you will improve.
I will. See you next time.